Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. When I tell you, the menopause has been menopausing, and I found myself gaining weight. Even some of you said it in the comments. You were like, Fumi, baby, you're gaining weight. It was the menopause, and I had to attack it right away, baby. I think when I came back from New York last year, that was when I kind of sort of saw it kick in. Needless to say, I said, you know what? Let me come and start working out. I found out when I was getting fitter and I was using weights that I dropped like 3 cup sizes. And I want to show you how I did it, what I did, and how you have to be consistent with it. And because we're now in spring, we want to get what? We want to get ready for the summer. And I thought, why not have exercises every week that we can do together, get our arms right, get our tummy flat, and also do weight exercises that tones both up. And in so doing, you are going to lose the fat from your chest. I'm going to put a before so that you can see what I look like, and then you can see what I look like today. And it is exercise. Exercise, exercise. My motto is try exercise first before you go ahead and do anything else. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to put this down and we're going to warm up, because some of you might not have exercised in a while, and I want you to enjoy it. We all fall off, as you very well know, myself included. We all fall off. Doesn't matter how many times you fall down. It matters how many times you get up, and it matters how many times you get onto the wheel again and you start again. This, my darlings, is my breast reduction exercise routine, and it has worked for me, and it will work for you. Let us do it for a month. Let's just do it for a month. Today is the 25th of March. Let's do it 25th of April, and let's see where everybody is at. You're going to feel better. I guarantee you. So let me put this down and let us start to warm up. So here we go. Circular motions of your arms backwards. 10 of those, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Now we're going to bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should be feeling any kind of pinch right here on your shoulders. And if you do, then this is what we should go ahead and do. Backwards, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now, why do we lift weights? Because as I have gotten older, I'm speaking for myself, I'm going to be 56 in April, 16th of April as a matter of fact, I have seen that I need to lift weights. The weights is what is working for me. And the heavier the weights are, the better the result. Today, I have a whole range of weights, and this is going to be the beginner class because everything really is consistency. You start working out in your head, in your mind. When you have programmed yourself mentally that I'm going to do this, then you're going to be consistent because it starts from here. If you don't push yourself, you're not going to get it done. And if you are discouraged because it's too difficult too quickly, also you're not going to do it because it hurts. And let me say here, please consult your physician and make sure that he says that this is okay for you to do. We're going to do the beginner class and we're going to build up, okay? All right, so let us get what? Let's get our weights. I spilled some water. I don't usually wear makeup, but I'm wearing it for your benefit. All right, so these are 2 kg weights, okay? So if you can use some weights, go right ahead. If you cannot, just follow for now, okay? And then you will build your resistance as we get along, all right? And for those of you that feel, oh, I can't stand, you can sit down. You can what? You can sit down. This is the beginner class, so I'm going to make it slightly less painful for you. All right, so we've got our weights now. These are 2 kg. And we're going to lift them up simultaneously and we're going to bring it down, okay? And I want you to breathe in, out. It also helps. Here we go. And we'll do 8 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. I'm very proud of you. Very, very proud of you. Take one weight down, clench, you clench and you feel the muscles in your chest. Clench your chest and lift up and bring down for 8. Yeah? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rest. You're going to feel it in your arms. Don't worry about it. Take a beat and then we'll continue, okay? So now we're going to take our weights, arms out. We're going to bring it forward and then out. You can also do them without the weights. I'm just showing you the routine of what you can do and then you add the weights. In, squeeze, squeeze, and out. Yeah? Here we go for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Shake it out, take a little break, listen to Healthy Hair Studio. When we come back, we're taking the weights and we're going down.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
All right, my darlings. So I created this one myself. I call this my little butterfly. I love it. We're going to do some exercises where you're going to pull your arms up and you're going to pull it out. Yeah. I have also found that when I do this exercise, and bring it back. It really stretches out my chest, and when I pull it back in, it contracts and it really snaps in my back, my tummy, and my boobs as well. I live for this exercise. So again, use your weights. You can use lighter weights to start. Let me get my lighter weight so I can show you. You can do 1 kg as well. We're going to build up all the way to 4 kg. The heavier the weights, the better the result. So here we go. Out and in. Out and in. And that we're going to do what? 8. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going, keep going. 8. Good girl, good girl. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and then bring it down. Take a breath. If you need some water, take some water. Here we go. We're almost done. We're almost done. 1, from the back to the front. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your tummy in. 6, 7, 8. And hold, and hold, and hold, and hold, and hold. Good job. Keep your tummy in, keep your tummy in, and down. You're going to turn to the side, and we're going to swing it up and bring it down here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. Still 1 kg, but different ones. Okay? We're gonna pull up. You're gonna tilt your knees just a little bit if you can. If not, it's okay. And you're gonna pull it back and then bring it down. Pull it back and bring it down. I love these. These are also my breast lifters. They lift it and they make me stand up straighter. They pull it right back. I live and love. We're going to do 8 and 8. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You should be feeling it. And we are going to go from side to side. And you can bend your knee as you're doing it so that you don't hurt your back. All right? This also helps with your back and back fat. I love this. I love the exercise and I see the difference real quick. So we're going to do 8 and 8. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rest, rest. How are you doing? We're almost done. We are almost done. And then we do yet another set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Good job. Good job. Swing. Bring yourself up. Woo, baby. Woo, baby. Good job. For the beginner class on how to reduce your breast size, well done. Well done. Tap it out. Just tap it out. Tap it out. Swing. 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 Side to side. Just get all of that out. There you go. There you go, mama. And like I said, it's not how many times you fall off, it's how many times you come right back on. To all of my Fumi Nation sisters, I know we go through challenges, for real. I know that we struggle every day with situations that nobody knows about. And we go through past traumas. And there are some days when we can't even get out of bed. I get it. I have those days too. I really do. And some days I don't even know what I'm doing. But I'll tell you this. Whatever happened to me, whatever is going on with me, I won't let it steal my joy. No, sir. I won't let it steal my joy. I won't let it steal my life. I won't let it close doors on opportunities that are in front of me. And I'm telling you now, sis, 6 months, 1 year from now, you would have found yourself in a better place because you pushed through. All of my love.